we together fight food waste. And how we do this? Fridge hunting.
I know that you're working on a brand new food campaign to end food waste. Can you tell everyone, share with everyone what that program is about and how it's structured, how it works?
This has been a great partnership I've established with Hellmann's mayonnaise. And I think it's great because what we want to do together is to be supporting the UN development goal, the United Nations development goals for the year 2030. And one of them is making sure we together fight food waste. And how we do this? Fridge hunting. What fridge hunting is? Well, Rachael, you know it. I'm taking you to my fridge right now.
Yeah.
I've been hired as a cameraman. I've been hired as a I hope I'm not fired. And then you open the fridge. And what do you have? It's a lot of stuff that is being totally misused. So you get this tomato leftover that always ends in the garbage, this tuna can. I have some beans. I have a little piece of egg that my daughters always leave untouched. I have half avocado that is kind of halfway rotten, but beautiful. And I'm going to bring some mayonnaise. Look at, now we come to the kitchen. And this is what we do. Come with me. Oh my God, I'm doing camera. I'm carrying food all at the same time. I'm here. And now let's see if the camera doesn't break apart. I'm going to take my time to put the camera in its place. Oh my God, I've been hired as a cameraman.
I told you, it's so wildly entertaining when he just busts out in
almost
whatever.
Perfect. So I'm forgetting the mayonnaise. And now this is what we're going to do, right? What I'm telling everybody is what you've been doing all your time on TV, Rachael. That's why we love you. You show everyday people, including me, that we should not be afraid of cooking, that we should be able to go in the kitchen and feel like we can be the best.
Just have fun, yes. And to never waste.